Hi, so guys, welcome to part 10, and this part 10 we talk about how to use dispatch method in the Vue.js. What is dispatch method in Vue.js? Dispatch in the Vue method, this method we call to the action from the state management, okay, from the state management in the vuex. We have the multi-way to call function from the state management via with the map getters or with the map from the vuex, or we use the dispatch via store.dispatch function. Okay, and if you want to know dispatch, follow me step by step. In the first and then part 9 we create already with a function in the store attributes. So right now we want to change this action here, so I console the loss. Okay, we call the function name from the store. Okay, and this is the store dispatch name. Okay, we call with the function name with the via store dot dispatch. Okay, right now we add a function name from the store management, so I add it like this. Okay, so I refresh. So we had speed of mid test. Okay. Okay, sorry. Okay, I use the mid test. So in the title we console the law, okay, because I created already. Okay, when I created it, so the data display in the console in the state management chain, management chain data. Okay, so we add again. So in the data chain management data here. So right now we go to the how to add wire. So for example, we add data in from the user cell data into the to-do list. To-do, so we add. So we call it like this: dot stat dot to-do. Okay. Dot to-do dot to-do dot to-do. So right now I add the data display here, so we use with the unzip to order data on the top. Unzip. Okay. We add the ID 11 and title. Okay, and we add a complete with the complete. Okay, I add a complete. And we call add drills. Okay, so right now we add again. So I add the data. Okay, and the data, and there is no display, so I move the add. If we use like this, mean that we complete with the commit parameters. So I go to I refer again. So title is defined but never used. Store.js. Okay, so I add new to do. So I refer again. Okay, if we add, okay, and data add with new to do is when the user inputs. So how to use the parameters with the action as to change mutation, and mutation change the state management. So we use so we create a function in the state management. In the mutation we create set to do. Okay, set to do. And right now we add the stat, create a function stat and to do call by data. So we add the stat and to do dot, okay, unzip. Okay, unzip and to do's. Okay, when we create already with to do like this, mean that so now right now we commit the data with the set to do here. So I call, okay, which in the create add to do function we add the commit, okay, commit and state that refer to the state here. And so we commit the data and add, we call the mutation key name set to do, and we add the state here. Okay, and this is the state dot, we use the state dot to do. Okay, okay, so I move with the stats. Okay, we create that to use, and I want to call the, okay, sorry, we call the data like this. With this is the demo, and right now I copy the stats here. Okay, and we set the to do, we add the call to do here. Okay, and to do. Okay, stat is defined but never use. Okay, we call with the stat. I'm sorry. Now we not use that, so I add the data. Okay, and the data insert to the complete successfully. Okay, and one more thing, we copy the from the to do here. So we go back to store.js again, and we add the data here. Okay. Okay, so when I go to the stats measurement, so we add the data here, show, and we add stat dot to do dot to do. So in add to do, we add the parameter one, we add the stat dot to do. So in the stat we add the to do, okay, to do, and I add the title. And right now in the add to do, we create a parameter add title, and this title stat dot to do dot id, we call add with the stat our stat object arrays with the length last id. So I to do ones. Okay, create already, I see. Okay, and this is the data display the same, but right now we go back to the to do component to add the parameter title here. So we move the console, I add the parameters. Okay, we add. Okay, right now is complete successfully. Okay, everyone, now we go to create a function to delete with the state management again. Okay, and we move the to do also with the to do component, move to use the use action delete in. Okay, in the state management. So we create a function more. Okay, remove to do. Okay, remove to do. So in the remove to do, we add the function to commit and stat. But now we add the ID here, or we add the to do. Okay, right now I add the ID. So right now we create a function already in IDs. Okay, we add commit delete. So we commit. Okay, remove to use dot IDs. Okay, and now we create a function as to do. So I copy. We create in mutation remove more to do. So we add the ID here to do the stats. Okay, so we use and stat dot to do. Okay, dot to do dot feature, and right now we add to do dot IDs and IDs. Okay, to do is line 24. Okay, and okay, to do dot IDs. So I refer again. Okay, now everyone we complete with the remove to do. So we copy the remove to do. We go to do component. Right now we want to display or we change the data here. So we call this dot store dispatch. Okay, we add. So right now we add the ID parameter to do dot IDs. Okay, so we remove. Okay, the data is now the action here. So we don't. Okay, so okay, successfully, but the data not removed. So we go back to the. We remove to do dot ID. Okay, use one more. Okay, so everyone change a function with a filter. Why doesn't work? Okay, not work. So I change to the I use the last because we change the ID dot to do. So we use the last. In touch stat dot to do dot last in touch out. Okay, so we use the in touch out. So we use the I think you know clearly how to use the last in touch out arrays. So we change is okay, is in touch. We use the once, and right now we add the stat dot to do. Okay, dot to do dot slash. The slide in touch. And once. refresh and I remove. So now we successfully we change the remove ID to the to-dos. Okay, so we add to-do and this dot to-dos. So we go to and we change the introduce or intake already. Okay, now successfully with the remove data and with the add to do and remove the to do's. Okay, everyone, I finished this lesson 10 how to use the dispatch function here in the Vue.js. If you like my video, don't forget subscribe, like and share my video to another friend. Okay, everyone, say goodbye.